Afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. You're also welcome to our annual BBQ Sports Day, carrying on a tradition since 1950. On behalf of the committee, thank you all so much for your continued support for all our events. Thank you also to our resident TD, Maeve O'Connell, and our councillors. I see John Kennedy is here for all their support and for all they do for us. A very, very special welcome to Laura Jordan from the marketing department from Stillorgan Shopping Centre. They are celebrating their 60th anniversary this year, and we're so grateful for her their very generous sponsorship of our community events for this year. Laura is a grandchild of Jack Farrell, who's an original member of the original committee going back to 1950. Jack lives in the Close, Jack and Anne. Thank you also to our sponsors, Littledale Academy, Two Mugs, Fleming Butchers and Crumlin Print. And of course, thank you to all our committee and our many helpers who make this day possible. Thank you to our community Gardaí. I see Aidan Lee is here. Thank you, Aidan. Great to see you. Unfortunately, I think due to the hose ban, we can't have the fire brigade this year, unfortunately. But look, hopefully they'll come next year. We're not sure of that yet, but we're assuming that's what the story is on it. And of course, thank you to all our committee and our many helpers who make this day possible. Mums and dads, you're also welcome to take part in our games. We'll shortly have our sack race, three-legged race, egg and spoon race, tug of war. Also enjoy our burgers and frankfurters. There's also tea, coffee and biscuits in the gazebo there behind me. And there's chairs to sit on should you want to sit down and have a rest. So let the games begin, and thank you all so much for your support here today. Thank you.